So today guys, why we are waiting for fucking postman to arrive, and we're going to install this baby. So for the Eventuri intake for the E92M3. So first time doing it, obviously. Cost me about 800 quid just for that part, so I'm just going to walk you through installing it and see how we get on. So to start off with, you need a T20 and a T25. So we're going to undo this, that, to remove this, and then we're going to just basically release the stars on the airbox itself. And then once they're unscrewed, just pull that out. Once you've unscrewed all the bolts, to take the lid off, then we're going to just do this clamp here and this clamp here and disconnect that. You've got your airbox, so obviously take that out. So we've got our plenum and we've just got to reattach. So I recommend taking these off, getting this like rubbery plastic thing on first and then attaching them. Obviously having two screws at the top, obviously, so you can tighten it up, loosen it off, whatever. And then the same with the other one, just have the screw there. And then yeah, it's a bit of a squeeze getting that on, but it's alright. Then reattach that and then just do the reverse. So just put the lid back on. I gave it a bit of a clean inside, and then I'm going to reattach this to the other side,